I'm pretty. Hi, Sheha. How are you? Okay. Why? I'm sad today. What happened? Yes. Nothing. Hi, Milba. Have you finished your report? Yes, I'm done. How about you? Yes. Yes, of course.
We need to organize the charity even next month. Let's start by assigning roles.
I can handle the venue booking. I know a couple of community centers that might be available.
Wait, it worked on marketing and social media to spread the word.
I can coordinate volunteers and make sure we have enough help on the day of the event.
I'm good with logistics. I manage supplies, decoration, and settings arrangement.
I take care of sponsorship and donation. I have some contacts that may be interested.
Perfect. I'll oversee the whole project and keep everyone updated. How about we meet again next week to check progress?
All good!
Hi everyone! Today, I will talk about the book Charlotte's Web. It's a story about friendship between a pig named Wilbur and a spider named Charlotte. The book teaches us about kindness and loyalty. Thank you for listening!
Ano ba ang problema mo, boy? Try mo mag-keratin. Soft and smooth, boy. Ang bagong kera. Ha?
Yes, of course.
Ha?
So smooth. So smooth!
Carrot!
Uy, swatter peko!
Kulang swatter.
Adas!
Ako na ang bagong kera. Keratin.
Totoo nga, napaka-smooth. So smooth. So smooth!